Orlando, Florida, with lots of lightning. It's the lightning capital of the United States. It's almost the lightning capital of the world. And what I want to say right now, don't try this at home, no matter what you do. I do this all the time. It's raining hard. You can smell the electric charge in the air, and that's no exaggeration. It's raining harder. Possible chance if you inhale. So, one warning to everybody. You just don't want to get hit by this. Just can you feel the intensity of it? It's powerful. It's electrifying. It's lightning. It's there. It's powerful. 1 billion volts. 200,000 amperes. So on just 65 hundredths of an ampere. What? Why?
This is too much.
I'm standing here. There's no way.
Still it is too much. Come here.
Why?
The whole house is rumbling.
I don't care. This is beautiful. I'm not gonna miss this for the world.
Come to eat.
I'm not gonna miss this for the world.
How long is it going to be?
Until it stops, I'm gonna be out here.
Come back here. So that I will know your skin.
What's the problem with that?
You don't have to get that and come.
I watch it 100.
Even in Quran it says it will blind your eyes. Whether your scientists prove or not, it is written, said by Allah saying that it will blind your
How
eyes.
come I'm not blinded?
Okay, if you are going to questioning like that, you will get.
Okay. Auntie, seriously, this is the biggest lightning storm I've ever seen. I'm not gonna miss it. Please, please.
No. How are you asking me to get hurt?
How are you hurt?
How are you asking me to let you yourself get hurt?
How will I get hurt? I'm standing
Like
under
that.
here. That was beautiful. I can't get hurt when I'm standing here. There's a reason why the building.
Flash of that itself.
Mom, I've watched lightning too many times. It's not gonna blind me. Please.
It is not good.
Please.
If you are going out of control, not listening to me, I'm going to put you in the boarding school. Where you'll treat it like in the military. That's what you need.
Let me just watch the lightning.
Yeah, you watched enough.
Enough! I never get enough lightning, okay?
Goodbye. Stop it. Stop arguing.
No.
I'm telling for your own good.
Whoa!
Come inside. Come inside.
Whoa!
Come inside.
Oh,